Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's project, I am featuring the Treasured Medallion stamp set. Now I've paired it here with its Treasured Tags Pick-a-Punch because I do use the bundle in my newest online class launched today, or actually yesterday, where you get to make 6 cards using this bundle plus a free gift. You'll find more inspiration on page 37 of the January-June catalog. Plus, if you're a VIP Facebook page user, which is basically a nice way of saying that you're my customer, you'll get an exclusive video using this product this week. Also, my team will be inspired by a design in their upcoming Diva Day event. So in other words, I loved this product. I am drawn to these sorts of images. Medallions, that sort of thing. Love them. Love, love, love them. I was drawn to this stamp set for sure. It was the first thing I purchased from the January-June catalog. So what I have here for you today is a very unique way of coloring the medallion. So I have my Stamparatus here. What I have done is I have a card base here in my Stamparatus, and I went in, my first color that I daubed on with my finger dauber was Gorgeous Grape. Now I'm moving into Pacific Point, and I am just daubing on, and this is real time, folks. I did not speed this up because I wanted to show you how quickly this card came together. So this is a 1-layer card. I love 1-layer cards because they're more difficult sometimes than a card that has many layers, because you do have to be exacting. And that's the great thing about a Stamparatus. Now you can see that I have my page bumped right up there. The page did not move. I will say that. When you're using red rubber stamps in your Stamparatus, I find that the photopolymer are the sticky ones that move the cardstock, but not the red rubber. So I'm using my daubers to color. And you can see that it is doing that exactly what I'm wanting. So I'm being very accurate as to where I'm inking up my medallion. So I went from Gorgeous Grape to Pacific Point to Coastal Cabana. And then I'm going in with Granny Apple Green. And then I'll continue on here in a little bit. So Granny Apple Green is here. It almost takes over the Coastal Cabana. And then I will go back and I sort of ink up the stamp again and create a nice blend. By the end of the card, it is stunningly beautiful. We have that Coastal Cabana blending in with Granny Apple Green, and then this is Daffodil Delight at the very, very edge. And then I used Mango Melody for the very stars, like the very tips of the medallion. And then as you can, you'll be able to see in a bit, I am continuing on the it's not like a rainbow color because it isn't, but they're going in order. I'm not trying to make a rainbow. I'm just going in the proper color order. Anyway, you can do what you want. I wanted to share with you how fun this would be. I did a card using my white embossing powder, and I used was it called Resist? Ink Resist or whatever, and I colored with this medallion with purples and blues. So, and I did Emboss Resist. That's what the technique was called. So there's a lot of techniques that you can do with this. This could be like it is right now, the star of the show for my card here. And it also could be a background. It could be a side piece. It could be many different things. It doesn't have to be like in your face like it is on this card. It could be subtle. Yeah, there's so many things that you could do with this stamp set. And I love the sentiments. The sentiments say, today we celebrate you, or you are a treasure, or happy birthday, or you inspire me. Everything positive. So the last 3 colors there that I used for the you inspire me message was Mango Melody, and then I went in with Flirty Flamingo, and then Melon Mambo. So, and here I have colored. There was 2 pearls that were pre-colored, a blue and a granny apple green, and then I just did the melon mambo. I did a little schmutz on my card, so that's the Mango Melody one. Is that pearl is going to cover my mistake. So 1 layer card, used some pearls. I love this card. I even went in and I colored the little green triangles with Wink of Stella because I couldn't get enough. But anyway, that's enough of me gushing about this stamp set. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.